Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I received some new makeup in the mail, and so I thought it would be a fun idea to try out the makeup and make a video at the same time. So the makeup is by NYX, and I've never tried them before. So I'm gonna try them for the first time today here live on camera and let you know what I think. So at first I will show you what I bought. So I bought this eyeshadow single. So this is in the color Cupcake. So it's kind of like a light pink, almost kind of looks a little nudish. So we're gonna try that. And I bought a couple of lip pencils. So I bought one in a hot pink color, and then also the other one is in a color called Pink Nude. So these ones are the retractable lip liners, and they also say that they're waterproof. So we're gonna try those. And the next thing I bought is one of their matte lipsticks. So this one is in the color Eden. So it's like a really kind of bright red color. And the last item that I'm really excited to try is their mascara. So this is just in a black color. And so I'm really excited to try this one because I'm always looking for a really good mascara. Okay, so let's get started. See, this is why I don't do things live on camera. What the hell? Okay, so the only thing that I'm wearing on my face is a little bit of cover up under my eyes and a little bit of blush, okay? So we're gonna start with the eyeshadow in the color Cupcake. So I always just use my fingers, my fingertips when I am putting makeup on. I just find it to be most easy to do that. And like I have tried blending sponges before, but I don't like them. This eyeshadow is really velvety. That's the first thing I notice about it. So let's see. So I'm just gonna put it all over my lid because it is such a light color. I don't know if you can see that, but it is a really light color, but it's a really nice. I have been looking for an eyeshadow single in a color like this. So I think this is a really good option. Okay, so let's see, how does that look? I'm just looking in my mirror here. It's below the camera. I kind of like it. It's just a very nice, soft, subtle look. And I did find that the eyeshadow itself is just very velvety feeling. Okay, so I guess it would make sense to do the mascara next. And after struggling with about 7 layers of child-proof plastic, I think I'm ready to go and try this. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Have a look at the brush. I hope, ooh. The brush looks really nice and kind of thick. I think this has a lot of promise, so let's give it a try. I'm gonna grab my mirror so I can see. do the other eye. It's getting a bit clumpy now. Some on the bottom. Okay, so overall, it got really clumpy on my left eye, and I don't really know the reason for that. Maybe I went over the lashes too many times. But overall, it seems it's a decent mascara. It's just, I don't know why it got so clumpy on this side. Maybe it was the way I was putting it on. But my right eye looks okay. It looks like this mascara, you would have to do a couple of coats to get kind of like if you want that dramatic look. But I think for everyday, it's pretty good, I think. You guys would have to be the judge of that. Like I said, don't really look at this eye so much because it's a little clumpy, but this one went on really nice. Overall, I think for their mid price point, I think it's worth the price. So this one is the NYX Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Okay, so next we can try the matte lipstick. So once again, so let's see. Does this go up? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. So this is a matte. So let's see. Hopefully it's not going to be too matte because I have lipsticks like that that I find are a little too matte. And it's almost like rubbing a stone on your lips. I think I need my mirror closer. So I am really impressed with this lipstick. I really like the color. I really like the feel of it. It's matte, but it's not like too dry and matte where you feel like it's really gonna dry your lips out. So I am really happy with this one. I will definitely buy more of this line. So this is the NYX, it's just called matte lipstick, and this one is in the color Eden. So yeah, like I'm really, really digging this one. And when you rub your lips together to kind of redistribute it, it feels really nice. Yeah, this is a beautiful lipstick. I really like that. Okay, so moving on to the lip liner. So this one is the retractable, like mechanical lip liner. So this one is in a nude pink. So let's see how this one looks. Okay, so far, not much color. So it feels really smooth going on. Okay, so what I've done with the lip liner is I used it as a lip liner, but then I also filled it in and used it as my lip color. And you could also do this and put on like a little bit of lip balm just to give a little bit more moisture and maybe a little bit more shine. But I kind of like it like this because it gives that matte look. And I am actually really loving this color. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone. I'm used to wearing a lot of reds, any kind of like different shades of reds and pinks usually. So this one is a little bit more understated, and it's actually what I was looking for. And I really like it. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to try another retractable lip liner. And this one says that it's waterproof. And this is in the hot pink color. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the last one. And I'm going to actually use it as my lip color. So let's give this one a try. Goes on nice and smooth. Wow, this one I really like as well. This one, it definitely looks like I would need to put a lip balm on with it, just because it looks quite drying on the lips, and you can kind of see all of the dryness and the little nooks and crannies of the lips. But overall, in terms of the color, I really love it. It goes on really smooth. So this looks like another winner. So overall, I really love this makeup line. Everything that I tried today, I definitely would buy again. I think the eyeshadow is perfect. It's just the color that I love to wear. The mascara is pretty good. It got a little clumpy on the one side, but maybe that was just something that I did wrong. So that is definitely something I would have to try again. And as for the lip colors, so I tried the matte lipstick and then the two lip liners. And of course, I can't speak to longevity, but even in just wiping them off, you could tell that they will stay for a long time. So I definitely will buy more from this brand. I will link everything that I bought in the description in case you are interested. Leave me a message in the comments to let me know if you have tried NYX before and what you think of it, if you've tried any of the products. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this, and I will see you again in another video.